I'm Yanely, also known as Miss Be Helpful, with another FinCap Friday brought to you by NGPF. The word influencers became a buzzword over 10 years ago with the rise of social media and the expansion of our usage of the internet. But if you've been on TikTok, then you probably have now heard the term de-influencers. This is a new trend that started in early 2023, which has creators calling out trendy products that are not worth your money. Prices increased for a lot of products and services in early 2023 due to higher than usual inflation. So a lot of people were looking to cut back on their spending wherever they could. Maybe that's why de-influencing went viral. As of February 2023, videos with the hashtag de-influencing were viewed over 125 million times, and over 160 million videos were posted with the tag de-influencer. Many people found this to be odd because it's not what you would expect from influencers and creators. They love to share affiliate links and sponsored posts because it helps them make extra cash. So they're not a group of people usually associated with frugality. But many of the sponsors and brands or big corporations that normally spend millions on influencer campaigns decided to cut back their advertising budgets. And many even fired people whose job it was to negotiate sponsorships and partnerships. Many tech company employees took to social media to document their layoffs in early 2023. Even social media companies themselves cut staffing in early 2023 due to tough economic times. Consumers who struggle to keep up with rent, groceries, and bill payments expect their favorite influencers to be relatable. So that may have been part of the cause that made this trend take off in the first place. But a lot of critics of de-influencing say that you shouldn't get it twisted. There are so many influencers out there making thousands, if not millions of dollars each year, and this is just another way for them to influence for profit. They say it's not really a rejection of social media's typical vibe of overconsumption because creators are just suggesting cheaper alternatives to each of the overpriced items they tell you not to buy. On the other hand, fans of de-influencing are saying that this is the new wave. Younger people are starting to notice just how detrimental hyper-consumerism can be to our wallets and to our environment. Maybe experiencing an economic downturn is what makes people grow tired of that rhetoric they're seeing on social media, making them think that you need to buy every single product that's trendy and that you see on social media.